Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. So this is a very special episode. This is the first episode in 2022. So I collected some important phrases for all of you. But before this, I also remind you to join my Egyptian Arabic 101 course, the free course that I introduce so that you can get a good a solid background about the Egyptian dialect. And this course, you'll find the link for this course in the first comment and also in the description box. And also I want to talk about important app, which is the Link app that we can use in order to learn modern standard Arabic, just the basics. Okay, so this is not an Egyptian app, but it's a modern standard Arabic app. But the good thing about it that you will not dive very much into modern standard Arabic. You will just learn what you need in order to advance also to Egyptian. Okay, so there are many words and phrases between our Egyptian and modern standard Arabic that are very similar. So if you learn with this app, it's really fun and easy. You can switch to Egyptian dialect easily because you will not have any trouble, and you will have solid information and many alike words and phrases. So check this out and try it for free. I am putting the link for this app for free trial in my description box. Just have a look at it, and I hope that you like it. I also have a dedicated episode about this app in my channel, so you are most welcome to check this episode and know more about this app. So you'll find the link of this episode above here. Okay, our first sentence is Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Sana Saida. Sana Saida. So Sana is year and happy is Said or Saida if we are talking about a feminine. Okay, so Sana Saida is Happy New Year. So literally it's Sana Gdida Saida. So new is Gdid and new for female is Gdida, but we say usually Sana Saida. And sometimes you say Sana Saida عليك on you, or عليكي on you if for female. So for male is on you عليك, and for female if we are talking to a female عليكي. So Sana Saida. Our second phrase is I have a plan. Okay, أنا عندي خطة. أنا عندي خطة. First of all, it's very important to know that I have is عندي in Egyptian. Okay, so when I say, for example, عندي عربية, I have a car. Okay, عندي أمل, I have hope, and so on. Okay, so عندي is something that I possess or something that I have. So أنا عندي. Okay, or just simply you say عندي. Okay, so عندي خطة or أنا عندي خطة means that I have a plan. I have a plan. I have a plan for the new year. For example, أنا عندي خطة للسنة الجديدة. للسنة الجديدة. So أنا عندي خطة. I have a plan. I have a plan. أنا عندي خطة. So slowly أنا عندي خطة. When it comes to languages, it's very important to have resolutions to learn new languages, like for example Egyptian. Okay, so when I say, for example, I want to learn many languages. Okay, how we say this in Egyptian? We say this like this: أنا I عايز or عايزة. عايز if I am a male talking, or عايزة if a female is talking. Okay, so أنا عايز I want. Okay, أنا عايز or أنا عايزة to learn أتعلم. Okay, after عايز we have the verb in its simple present form, which is أتعلم. Okay, so أنا عايز أتعلم or أنا عايزة أتعلم. Okay, I want to learn. I want to learn new languages or many new languages. So لغات كتير or many languages. لغات كتير. Okay, لغات كتير or لغات جديدة كتير if I want to say new. Okay, جديد or جديدة new. Okay, جديد for male and جديدة for the adjective for female. Okay, so أنا عايز أتعلم لغات كتير. أنا عايز أتعلم لغات كتير means I want to learn many languages. Let me say it slowly. أنا I عايز and note that the عين is pronounced ع. أنا عايز أتعلم لغات so many لغات is languages. It's the plural of لغة and the غين is like the letter of غ which is like the R in French غ. أنا عايز أتعلم لغات languages كتير many. I want to learn many languages. أنا عايز أتعلم لغات كتير. Now let's move to sentence number 4 or phrase number 4, which is I am successful. Okay, when I want to say I am successful, so أنا ناجح. If I'm a male talking, if a female is talking, she will say أنا ناجحة, or we say ناجحة directly. So ناجح, it means that's it's an adjective of the success, النجاح, success. So أنا ناجح, I'm successful. أنا ناجحة, I'm successful, but for female. Okay, female is talking. Here it's very important to note and talk about the letter H. Okay, one of the difficult letters, of course, in Egyptian or in Arabic generally, and this letter is not like the H or the H in English. It's the H is coming from here, but H comes deeper, so it's deeper. H, like from here. H. So okay, so أنا ناجح, أنا ناجحة. Okay, أنا ناجح, أنا ناجحة. So I am successful. Say it with me. أنا ناجح, أنا ناجحة. When I say, for example, I will manage my time. Okay, I will manage my time. Here we say will, or to indicate the future tense in Egyptian, we say ha at the beginning. Why? That's why I call it the H future. Okay, so أنا ها, and then you add the verb in the simple present after the ha. So for example, when I say أنا I will manage my time, it means in Egyptian أنا هنظم وقتي. أنا هنظم وقتي. Here ينظم, it's a verb meaning that I will manage, I will organize. Okay, أنا هنظم. So this is ينظم or أنظم. هنظم, when we add the ha, it means this is I will do it in the future. So أنا هنظم وقتي. So I will manage my time, it means أنا هنظم وقتي. And وقت here is the time in Egyptian, and وقتي my time. We add the ya at the end, e, to means mine. Okay, أنا هنظم وقتي. I will organize or manage my time. So when you say, for example, أنا بقرأ كتاب. يقرأ, it means reading. Okay, so to read يقرأ in Egyptian. Okay, so أنا بقرأ, so the B imperfect, you add the B at the beginning like the ha from the future. Okay, أنا بقرأ, I am reading, I am in the process of reading. Okay, أنا بقرأ كتاب رائع. Okay, رائع, which is wonderful. أنا بقرأ كتاب رائع. Okay, so this is how we say I'm reading a wonderful book. أنا بقرأ كتاب, which is a book, and then wonderful, which is رائع. Now let's move to sentence or phrase number 8, which has also another helping verb, like I can. I can is أنا أقدر. Okay, أقدر. Here when you say I can do this, it's in Egyptian very simple. I can do this. أنا أقدر أعمل ده. أنا أقدر أعمل ده. Here this is ده. Okay, when you say for example what is this, إيه ده. إيه ده. This is one of the most important phrases in any language. What is this? إيه ده. Okay, so أنا أقدر أعمل ده. I can do this. Okay, let's say it slowly. أنا I أقدر I can do this. أعمل ده. So أنا أقدر أعمل ده. I can do this. أنا أقدر أعمل ده. أنا متحمس. متحمس. Motivated or متحمسة. متحمسة. For if we want to transfer the adjective from the male to the female, we add at the end, which is a tight tap. متحمسة. متحمس for male, متحمسة for female. Like مدرس teacher, male teacher, مدرسة female teacher. دكتور a doctor, دكتورة a female doctor. Okay, أنا متحمس. I am motivated. Okay, متحمس. أنا متحمسة. I am motivated if a female is talking. So أنا متحمس. أنا متحمسة. Now let's move to the last sentence, which is I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. The same way like we did in the last phrase, we say I'm ready أنا جاهز, and then the female form will be right, جاهزة. Right, جاهزة. So جاهز becomes جاهزة, like متحمس متحمسة. So أنا جاهز, I'm ready. أنا جاهزة, I am ready. Okay, so when you are starting a project or something, so I'm ready, أنا جاهز. I'm ready, أنا جاهزة. Okay, this is a very important phrase also in any language. So I'm ready. أنا جاهز. أنا جاهزة. These were our phrases today. I hope they were easy for you. Tell me your feedback about these phrases. Easy, difficult. And tell me also about the feedback about this episode. Did you learn something new? Am I so fast speaking, or it is okay? I'm very happy receiving your feedback and trying to adapt so that you get the maximum benefit from these episodes. And also I like your interactions and responding and commenting on this channel. So write to me a lot, tell me your opinion, and ask me what you like, and I'll be very happy and willing to answer. Okay, so as I told you, don't forget to join my one-on-one course. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. A solid background course about Egyptian Arabic, very small and dedicated course that you will not have any trouble covering, maybe in one day or couple of days maximum. So have a look at the link and enroll now, completely free. And also don't forget to check the Ling app for the basics of modern standard Arabic, a very easy app that will teach you the basics of MSA, fun and easy, and you can switch to Egyptian Arabic and find the similarities between Egyptian dialect and MSA. And also don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to write to me any comment and ask me any question about this, and I will be very happy to comment and to reply to you. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and again, Happy New Year guys, and see you in a future episode.